Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. If you have any mathematical query, doubts or anything, you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. And our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any queries or anything, you can drop a mail to this email ID, and then after that you can join our regular batches, one-on-one sessions, our online classes, so that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI, TIFR, NBHM, PUMDET also. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay, so now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the PUMDET 2024, and the question is telling us that the characteristic polynomial of the matrix A, which is written as 2 1 3 minus 1, is, so there are four options here, which are x square minus x minus 5, x square minus 2x plus 5, x square minus x plus 5, and x square minus 2x minus 5. This is also a very easy question because we know that the trace of the matrix is the sum of all eigenvalues. We know that. And we know that the determinant of A is equals to the product of the eigenvalues of A. So now what can be done here? So our trace will be, so our trace of A is equals to, we can write it as 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. And our determinant of A should be 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into 1. So that will be minus 2 minus 3. So that is equals to minus 5. So now there are two elements here. So that means our that means our matrix is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So eigenvalue will be only 2. So for two roots we can write the equation for it which is satisfying this. That means that will be what? That will be x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta, that is equals to 0 if our alpha and beta are the roots of the equation. Okay, so alpha plus beta is my trace of A here. If our alpha and beta are the eigenvalues of the matrix, so our alpha plus beta will be the trace and our alpha into beta will be determinant. So we can write it also x square minus trace of A x plus alpha beta will be our determinant of A, that is equals to 0. So we will get x square minus x minus 5, that is equals to 0, because our trace of A is minus 1 and our determinant of A is minus 5, which is written in the 1 and minus 5. So by putting these things we will get this answer. Okay, so our correct answer of this question will be our option. Let me zoom it. Yeah. So the correct answer will be our option A. Again, I am telling that if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, please feel free to contact. Then our team can arrange a doubt clearing session for you. After that, you can join our regular batches, one-on-one sessions, so that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations. And if you contact us via these contact details, then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav's classes, like which I said before, and you can join our mock test series also. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay, thank you guys, hope you understood. Thank you.